So in this video, I decided to talk. No, I just had the mute button on all the others and wasn't talking. No, just kidding. I did need to talk in this video to explain a few things, like the length of this wire. This wire measures 3 feet. I'm not gonna sit here and measure it, but there's a ruler. And my step that I need to start with is making sure that I will find the half point on the wire. We've discussed how to do this by putting the 2 points together and running your hand all the way up to where it makes a loop. At that point, I know I have the middle here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to frame or set the wire starting at the shoulders. But I think I can make the head here. So I'm going to put my thumb in here and twist a little bit. Use the plier, and I'm going to twist the long end. I don't want to twist the head part too much. That's more than enough for the neck. And I'm going to set it right here, right in the middle. As you can see, this twist matches that center nail, and I'm going to hold it in place. That may be a little bit tough, and I'm going to wind that wire around the nail, and that's secure, it won't go anywhere. And now I'm going to do the other side and wind the wire around that nail and bring it down. I'm deciding I'm gonna go, let's see, no, I'll do it on the inside. I'll keep the wire on the outside and wind it on that waistline. It's tougher than it looks. And now I have the waistline done, and it looks like I'm gonna make it. I have enough wire. And since I know I'm gonna make it, I am going to go across the waistline and catch a little bit of wire there, or sorry, at the nail, wind it there, and cross over to the other side and finish the knee joint part, the foot part. And I got some leftover, which is good news. I'll do now the other side. Always keeping it tight and stretched. Wind that around that side. I can use the plier to help me. And now I'm going to cross it to the other side and do the same. Ignore that. And do the knee. Again, make sure it's pulled tight before you curl or wind. And now I got to the foot, and I'm almost done. And I got leftover. I'm gonna stop right there. Let you appreciate that.